सो फॉर दॅट रेकॉर्डिंग जे आपलं डिस्कशन झालं असतं ते झूम लॅपटॉपमध्ये स्टोअर करून ठेवतं आणि मग मी त्याला अपलोड करते. सो त्याच्याकरता ते 5 मिनिटं घेतं.
ओके ओके, बरे हो, ठीक आहे.
आता मी जे काही शिकवते, जे काही क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स करते, इट इज नाउ रेकॉर्डेड बिकॉज आय हॅव स्टार्ट द रेकॉर्डेड नाउ. So it will get recorded and it will store from Zoom to laptop. So this requires the time for conversion. This is not happening in every lecture.
No, ma'am.
Then how they conducted 1 hour lecture continuously?
म्हणजे तसं नाही, पण
पाच
बोलक
मिनिटांनी
नंतर
start
लगेच
करतात.
2 मिनिटात परत रिजॉईन व्हायला सांगतात आणि त्यांचं होते लगेच सुरू.
अच्छा. आणि बाकीचं?
बाकीचं पण थोरात सरांचं होतं स्टार्ट लगेच.
पण ते लिंक नाही देत आहेत ना तुम्हाला, नोट्स देतात आहे ना, की देतात आहे लिंक?
नाही, थोरात सर स्क्रीन रेकॉर्ड करतात.
हा, तेच ते प्रत्येकाचं ऍप वेगळा वेगळा आहे ना, त्यामुळे तो फरक पडतो. स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर मध्ये फास्ट होऊन जातं.
मोबाईल मध्ये स्टोअर होतं.
हा, मग ते सोपं होतं. हे झूम वर असल्यामुळे 1 ऍप टू लॅपटॉप असं ते थोडा वेळ लागतो 5 मिनिटं कन्वर्ट व्हायला. Okay, now we will start the further aphorism, that is the aphorism 51. This therapeutic law rendered obvious to all intelligent mind by these instances. So he has again repeating the same thing. The therapeutic law of nature, it makes us obvious that they are amply sufficient for this end. So similar and stronger, now it is, I have given the many examples for it and now it is amply sufficient. पर भरपूर झालं हे दाखवायला की the similar and the stronger disease are अगर मिलते हैं then there will be a cure. But on the other hand, see that the advantages man has over crude nature in her happy-go-lucky operations. So he said that ki nature is also curing the same thing, but that is the happy-go-lucky operation. So by chance, that nature is curing the diseases. How many thousand more of homeopathic morbific agent has not man at his disposal for the relief of his suffering fellow creatures in the medicinal substances universally distributed throughout the creation. So the thousands of homeopathic medicines, many followers they are using and they are getting the results. In them he has procedure of the disease of all the possible varieties of action, for all the innumerable, for all the conceivable and inconceivable natural diseases. So with the help of homeopathic medicine, we are now treating the natural diseases and also we are treating the artificial chronic diseases which formed by the allopathic violent medicine, to which they are render morbific aid homeopathic medicine, whose power when their remedial employment is completed being overcome by the vital force. So once the natural disease is formed, we are giving the homeopathic medicines all over the world. The homeopathic physicians are using, they are using it properly by producing the similar and a stronger disease. We are getting the result and in this way the vital force now, एक बार वो डिसीज चला गया नेचुरल डिसीज, जो थोड़े बहुत सिम्टम्स रह जाएंगे दैट विल बी ओवरकम बाय द वाइटल फोर्स. सो वो जो डिरेंज हुआ था वाइटल फोर्स, अगेन वी आर गिविंग द स्ट्रेंथ टू दैट वाइटल फोर्स. अगेन वी आर गिविंग द cells which will fight against that disease. We are giving that cells and hence now the vital force is free and he can overcome or it can overcome the remaining symptoms. 8 seconds.
मॅम
What happened? disappear spontaneously without requiring a second course of treatment for its extirpation. So if your medicine is perfect, if you are following the eternal law of nature, then that will cure the disease automatically. There is no need to give the another medicine. There is no need to give the new medicine in the second course. Artificial morbific agent, which the physician attenuate, that means they are doing the potentization, they subdivide and potentize almost to the infinite extent. So all these things are happening because we are giving the potentized medicines. We are not giving the massive doses, and that's why the cure is happening inside the body. The dose of which he can diminish to such a degree that they shall remain only slightly stronger than the similar natural disease they employed to cure. So we know the advantages of giving the minimum dose and the disadvantages of giving the larger dose. So the cure is happening by using the similar medicine, but at the same time, the dose in our hand and the potency in our hand. And the benefit is that the patient is getting cure. So this is the incomparable method of cure. This is our method of cure. This is incomparable. Nobody can compare our method with their method of cure. There is no necessity for any violent attack upon the organism for the eradication or even inverted the disease of old standing of cure. By this method takes place only gentle, imperceptible and yet often a rapid transition from terminating this natural disease to the desired state of permanent health. So in this way, again he has given the emphasis on the similar and the stronger diseases. So we are producing the similar and stronger disease only because of using the similar medicines, only because of doing the potentization, only because of the dose regulation in our hand. And hence, this is the incomparable method. This is only the true method that we have to use to eradicate the disease. So that we can rapidly transit from the disease state to the permanent healthy state. We can rapidly remove this terminating natural disease from our body, and we can restore the health of that patient only by using these things. That is a similar medicine, potentized medicine, and a proper dose. These are the things only which will helpful to cure the disease. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one yes.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajesh Pradhan is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajesh Pradhan is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are joined so late and you are not there in the first session?
मैं बाहर गया था.
हाँ, फिर बाहर ही रहना था. अभी भी आपने 10 मिनट बाद ज्वाइन किया है. What is the use? This is not compulsory. This is not mandatory. If you don't want, don't attend the lectures. Only if you are attending for the attendance, I will give the attendance for the whole year. Yesterday also I have asked you one question. At that time also you are not responding. Don't give the attendance. Today if Deepak is taking the attendance or whoever they're taking the attendance, don't give him attendance. He is not responding, not giving the answer, joining late, not in present in the first session. These reasons are sufficient for me to give the explanation to the management. This is not for us. This is for you only. You are not saying only the yes, ma'am. Yesterday I am asking to you. आपको इतना भी नहीं लगा कि मुझे नहीं आता है मैम, इतना बोलने के लिए भी आप अनम्यूट नहीं हुए. I am just wasting my time. What sorry? Every time you are doing this is not the first time I am asking about you. उसके पहले दिन में भी आपको मैंने पूछा था राजेश प्रधान, तब भी आपने रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया. This is the third time. That's why I caught you. एक बार हो गया, दूसरी बार हो गया, तीसरी बार फिर से वही. Now the 52 aphorism. And please, all the participants, after the 5 minutes, I will not admit you. 10 मिनट हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद आप ज्वाइन होते हो. What is the use? You are that this shows that you are only joining for the attendance. Don't join. You give me the list कि ma'am we don't want to attend your lecture. We only want the attendance. I will give the attendance. Don't join the class. Again and again I have to admit the participants. After the 5 minutes, this is the standing instruction. After 5 minutes, no need to join the class. 5 minutes is sufficient. Network problem है, कुछ है, क्या है, वो मुझे message करो. After that, I will admit. But after the 5 minutes, I will not. Just see, Pranjali is a worker. So again and again, whole 40 minutes, I am admitting the candidates. It's okay. Your network is disturbing. You are बाद में join होके network चला गया, फिर से आप join होते हो. It's okay. But you are joining so late, not present in the first session, then what is the use? So please, if you want to join, 5 minute के बाद मैं आपको join नहीं करूँगी. अगर आपको join करना है तो right time पे ही join कीजिए. In the second session, every time I am giving the reason कि this require the 5 to 7 minutes to convert that recording into my laptop. I require this time. आपको join होना है, हो second इसमें ना हो, लेकिन मुझे इतना time लगता है. I have to follow my procedures which are given by the management. So for that procedure, I require the 5 to 7 minutes. Second session में आपको आना है, नहीं आना है, that is your responsibility. I will give the attendance only those students who are present on both the sessions. और मुझे पता चलता है, इसलिए मैंने आज पकड़ा एक student को. कोई student first session में आते हैं, second में नहीं आते, कोई second में आता है, first में नहीं आता. I will not give the attendance. This is the last warning now. In the aphorism number 52, please read aphorism number 52, somebody.
Ma'am, कहना है?
Read.
Tuba. There are but two principal methods of cure. The one based only on accurate observation of nature, on careful experimentation and pure experience. The homeopathic before we never designed use, and the second which does not do this, the heteropathic or allopathic.
So
each
please,
oppose.
एक minute, huh? So this is the
Yes,
52 aphorism is very much important as that of the other aphorisms that we have seen the different conditions. Here he has given the two principal method. Principal means what? These are the only important methods or the chief methods for curing any disease. Either you can use the similar medicine or you can use the heteropathy. That is the different medicine. Only these are the two ways by which you can treat the patient. So if you want to follow this similar medicine, that is a homeopathic medicine, which is by the pure experience, that is a drug proving हमने किया है, and hence he always use the word pure experience because he himself proved so many drugs on his body. Then the careful experimentation, ये जब इन्होंने drug proving दूसरे पे किया है, then he carefully observe it. Patient पे उन्होंने carefully observe किया है, and hence he used the word careful experimentation and accurate observation. So we know the when the medicine, if the medicine is proved promptly on all the genders, on the different population, on all the ages, after that when it meet all the expectation on the patient, then only it will enter into the materia medica. So जो filters है कोई भी medicine को materia medica pura में enter होने के लिए, या फिर हम लोगों को medical field में बता सके कि this XYZ medicine is useful for the respiratory system or XYZ medicine is having the these type of peculiar symptom. So for all that they have to clear all the filters, and these filters are जो पैथी में क्लियर है, that is our pathy. So by the accurate observation, by the careful experimentation and pure experience से we have find out the certain medicines. So that is a similar medicine. और दूसरी उन्होंने एक पैथी बोली है, that is a heteropathic, that is a allopathy. Each opposes other. अब ये पैथी में क्या है? We are giving the opposite medicine, and only he does not know either can hold the delusion that they ever approach each other or even become united or make himself so ridiculous as to practice at one time homeopathically and another allopathically. So according to the pleasure of patient, practice which may be called a criminal treason against a divine homeopathy. What is given in this aphorism? Half aphorism I have given you. You are having the two ways of method or the two ways to cure the patient. One is homeopathy, which is based on the observation, pure experiment and a careful experimentation. Second is the allopathy, in which we are giving the opposite drugs. But what he said further, can anybody explain? Can anybody wants to try? Anyone?
Ma'am, can I?
No, Thuba, please. Anyone else? 26 participants are here. Nobody? Only these last two lines I want to explain. Explanation of the last two lines. Anybody?
मैम may I?
No. वही participants आते हैं. कोई दूसरा क्यों नहीं बात कर रहा है? Wrong हुआ तो हुआ, कुछ नहीं होता उसमें. But at least what you have क्या समझा है आपको, वो तो मुझे understood होगा कि ये बाबा ये आपको समझा है या नहीं समझा. These are two very simple lines.
Ma'am, may I?
Mention your name.
कोमल.
हाँ, okay.
मॅम याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी असं सांगितलंय की होमिओपॅथी अँड ॲलोपॅथी हे दोन खूप वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. होमिओपॅथी वर्क होते सिमिलर सिम्पटम्स वर आणि ॲलोपॅथी इज एक्झॅक्ट अपोजिट. सो फिजिशियन दोन्ही पण प्रॅक्टिस नाही करू शकत. क्राईम असं होते.
Okay. Nice try, Komal. Anyone else? Anyone else? By taking the hint from Komal.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
Mention your name.
Ma'am, Alisha.
Alisha, and second one is?
Anjali.
Again, Alisha and Anjali, same participant. Why the new participants are not talking or not giving the answers? Who is here? New one.
Ma'am, sorry to disturb, but Unde sir send a link for a lecture of parasitology.
At what time?
At 12 noon.
12?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me the 2 minutes. I will give the explanation and आपको मैं free करती हूँ. मैं सर को message डालती हूँ. 5 मिनट में बच्चे join होंगे. Don't worry. So they have said that though you are having, let me finish this aphorism only. Give me the 2 minutes. So he said that we are having the two methods only, allopathy and homeopathy. But in the allopathy, it is a totally opposite. If you want to practice according to the pleasure of the patient, this will not be possible. According to the patient, we do not have to follow the other pathy. If you are a patient thoda acute ka hai, so you are using the allopathy. And if the patient is from the chronic disease, then the patient, you are using the homeopathy. So please be on mute. So this is a criminal treason. So this ये crime है against our divine homeopathy. We should not change our pathy. XYZ patient आया allopathy दिया, दूसरा patient आया homeopathy दिया, तीसरा patient आया फिर से allopathy दिया. So according to the nature, according to the pleasure of the patient, we should not, we must not, and it is not allowed to change our pathy patient wise. We have to follow only one thing. And if the physicians, if they are continuously changing the pathy, so that will be a criminal treason against this divine homeopathy. And hence, this aphorism is very, very, very important. Though you are having the other way, but you use only one, either heteropathic or the similar medicine. Don't use the two pathies at a time. This is a very much big crime against the divine homeopathy. That's all. So this is about the aphorism number 52. Understood? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Understood.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, ma'am.
So again, I am telling, if you have any problem regarding the network, please give me the message. मुझे भी आपका नुकसान या आपको बोलने में मुझे भी अच्छा नहीं
मैम
लगता है. ओके
मैम मॅम प्रांजली मॅम माझं सारखं डिस्कनेक्ट होत होतं. सॉरी मॅम.
ओके, आय एम ऍडमिटिंग यू. तेच मी पहिल्यांदा म्हटलं की तुमचा नेटवर्क मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम येऊ शकतो, मला माहिती आहे. दॅट्स वाय आय एम ऍडमिटिंग यू अगेन अँड अगेन. बट इफ यू आर ऍडमिटिंग फर्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर 15-20 मिनिट, कसं सहन होणार आहे?
मॅम रेंज स्टेबलच नाही. कोणतेच कार्डला रेंज येत.
ऍडमिट करते ना मी, काय बोलले का त्याला, त्याविषयी बोलले का मी ऍडमिट, मला दिसतं ना पहिले जेवढे ऍडमिट झाले त्यांचे नावं माझ्या डोक्यात राहतात. परत तुमचं काही झालं तर मी परत ऍडमिट करते. परत थुबा पण आता 2-3 वेळा जॉईन झाली आहे. नो प्रॉब्लेम, मी केलं. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम माझ्याकडे पण नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम असतो. मी पण माझ्या लेक्चरची वेळेवर खाली करत असते नेटवर्क. नो प्रॉब्लेम. बट यू शुड बी सिन्सिअर. मला तेवढंच म्हणायचं, नथिंग एल्स. इफ आय एम सिन्सिअर, इफ आय एम टेकिंग द पेन्स, ऍटलीस्ट यू शुड बी सिन्सिअर. तेवढं तर तुम्ही ऐका. मला तुमच्याकडनं अजून काहीच अपेक्षा नाहीये. यू शुड बी सिन्सिअर, नथिंग एल्स. बिकॉज ऑफ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम, बिकॉज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लेम, आय एम ऍडजस्टिंग माय लेक्चर ऍट एनी टाइम. कधी कधी 5 वाजता पण घेते मी. बट इफ आय एम ऍडजस्टिंग, इफ आय एम टेकिंग द पेन्स, आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सेम फ्रॉम यू. ऍटलीस्ट तुम्ही वेळेत तर जॉईन व्हा. नंतर मोबाईल ठेवून तुम्ही कुठेही फिरत राहता, मला माहिती आहे. बट ऍटलीस्ट जॉईन ऑन द टाइम. ओके, लेट इट बी. जॉईन दॅट पॅरासिटोलॉजी क्लास इमिडिएटली.